Hello, I'm Christopher from Learnry, and in this video, I'm going to answer these 4 frequently asked questions about Python. What is Python? What is Python used for? Who uses Python? And why learn Python? So let's start off with the first question. What is Python? So Python is an interpreted, high-level and a general-purpose programming language, and it is ideal for beginners because the syntax or the grammar of the Python programming language is relatively easy to learn and also read. Again, Python is one of the most loved programming languages by developers, data scientists, software engineers, and even hackers. This is because of how powerful the Python programming language is. Now, talking about the second question, what is Python used for? So, Python is used across a wide range of areas, from web and game development to machine learning, AI, scientific computing, ethical hacking, web scraping, and more. Now the third question, who uses Python? So big companies like Intel, Cisco, HP, and IBM use Python for hardware testing. JP Morgan Chase uses Python for financial market forecasting, and NASA also uses Python for scientific programming tasks. Now finally, why learn Python? So I'm going to give you 4 reasons why you should consider learning Python. Now the first reason is this. Python is easy to learn because the language itself is expressive and productive. So anybody at all can be able to learn Python so quickly and be able to build wonderful projects with the language. So the second reason why anybody at all should consider learning Python is that Python is an open source programming language, which simply means that every piece of code that was used to build that particular programming language is right on the internet. And so anyone curious enough to want to know the ins and outs of how the language was built can basically have access to all the source code. Now at the same time, Python is hugely popular and has a massive community of developers who can support you when you run into trouble. Now the third reason for learning Python is that the salary of Python engineers is comparatively higher as compared to others in the industry. So for example, in the United States, a Python developer earns an average salary of $120,000 per year. So the last reason I'm going to give for learning Python is that Python has about 85,000 plus scripts and models which can be used by any developer. Now these models provide prepackaged functionality available to developers in their local Python environment. So the question of the day is, who created the Python programming language? You can leave all your answers in the comment section below. Now if you are new to this channel and you found this video helpful, then I urge you to click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon below so that you'll be notified when new videos are uploaded. Bye for now, and I'll see you in the next video.